Hello and welcome to our channel, where we provide you with useful tips and tricks for your everyday life. In this video, we're going to show you how to follow a person on Facebook on your Android device. Following a person on Facebook can help you stay in touch with their updates, photos, and posts. And luckily, following someone on Facebook is a quick and easy process. Here are the steps. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device and go to your Facebook feed. Step 2. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Step 3. Type in the name of the person you want to follow and choose them from the search results. Step 4. Once you're on their profile, tap on the Follow button under their name and profile picture. And that's it. Following a person on Facebook is that simple. If you want to unfollow someone in the future, simply go to their profile and tap on the Following button to unfollow. It's important to note that some people may not have the Follow button on their profile. This could be because they have their account set to private, or they have not enabled the Follow feature on their account. Following someone on Facebook can be a great way to stay in touch with friends and family, especially if they live far away or you don't get to see them often. You can also follow public figures or celebrities to keep up with their latest news and updates. So, that's how you can follow a person on Facebook on your Android device. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.